We're going to start the decorations off by making 4 hearts. If you're using yarn smaller than weight 4, start with a normal magic ring in the same size hook. For plush yarn, grab an 8-inch piece of acrylic yarn in a similar color. I'll use a 4mm hook, 0.5 smaller than the original hook. It's okay to use the same hook if you don't have a smaller one. Hold both strands of yarn together to start off your magic ring with both of them at the same time. I like to drop the worsted weight strand and pick up only the plush yarn working strand of yarn to do the slip knot that finishes the magic ring. From there, we'll chain 2. Do 3 triple crochets into the center of the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Next, follow up with 4 double crochets into the center of the ring. We'll now do another triple crochet into the center of the ring. This stitch will be the center of the heart. Grab a stitch marker and put it into the stitch that you just completed. We'll now work backwards. Start with 4 double crochets into the center of the ring. Three triple crochets into the center of the ring. For the last part, we'll chain 2, then slip stitch back into the center of the ring. We'll now close the magic ring. Pull both strands of yarn to close. I like to put the emphasis on the acrylic yarn so that the plush yarn doesn't snap. Move the yarn ends aside so they aren't in your way. That's the end of the first row of the heart. If you're using smaller than weight 4 yarn, you should stop here and move on to the next section to see if the hearts fit, or if you need to change something like your hook size. For plush yarn, we'll continue on to round 2. Where my finger was poking, you'll find the chain 2 space. Do a single crochet into that space. In the first stitch, which is 7 away from the stitch marker if you get confused, do 2 half double crochets and a double crochet. One half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, we'll do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, we'll do 2 double crochets. Do 2 double crochets in the next stitch again. Next, we'll have 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, in the last stitch before the stitch marker, we'll do 1 double crochet. We can now remove the stitch marker. In this center stitch, we'll do a double crochet, triple crochet, and a double crochet. working backwards, we'll now do a double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch again. 3 double crochets into the next stitch. A double crochet and then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. We'll now single crochet inside the chain 2 space. Slip stitch into the middle stitch. Fasten off here and leave a long tail for sewing. I like to make a circle around the heart twice and cut off that length for sewing. On the back, pull the acrylic strands tight and trim any loose ends. You've now completed 1 heart. You'll need to make 3 more to go on the pouch for a total of 4 hearts.